All right, this is question number 3 off M52, max min word problem involving cost and profit. If you remember from last year, we said for profit questions, it's basically the price per item multiplied by the number of items you sell, subtract whatever costs you incurred to make those items. So for this question, we have 14 euros for each item. It says right here 14 euros is how much they'll sell for. Okay, and we need to prove that this equation here is indeed the profit equation. So common sense would say if the price per item is 14 euros, we would be able to sell n items, the number of items, and we'll have to subtract what the cost was to make them, and we're told the cost right over here. So we can just basically substitute this cost equation in here for cost. To verify that this profit equation is indeed correct, we'll need to simplify this expression. So that leads us to 9n minus n cubed divided by 300, subtract 100. So as you will notice right here, we have verified that this indeed is the profit equation. The last part of the question wanted you to maximize the profit. Remember, a maximum occurs where the curve has a horizontal tangent line. So a horizontal tangent line exists where the derivative is equal to 0. So you need to differentiate this function, and you will get p prime in terms of n, 9 minus 3n squared divided by 300. Simplify that, and that becomes p prime equals 9 subtract 100th n squared. And in order to solve this equation, you'll need to, let me get rid of this first here, that's something I don't need till later. You'll need to solve for n in this equation. So one thing you can do is isolate the quadratic, isolate the square, and then multiply both sides by 100, which leads us to n equals plus or minus 30. And obviously you can't have negative 30 items, so that would be an extraneous root. The answer would be 30. And we want to maximize the profit, so 30 items is how much I'll sell. Substitute that back in for the profit equation, which is right up here. And the profit, once you sell 30 items, turns out to be 80 euros.